Vande Mataram everyone, I am Deepika from 11th Commerce class of Adarsh Senior Secondary School. Today I am giving you a little tour of our school, a place that's been a huge part of my life. So let me give you a little bit of our school. Adarsh Senior Secondary School is located at Dhani Ramchas Road and it's known for its education and academic intelligence. So if you're thinking about attending here and just here's what makes this school unique, stick around and let's get started. The best thing about our school is our school facility. It's a place where students not only focus on their studies but also develop a lot of skills and hobbies. The classroom here are super modern with all the things you need to succeed. We study here under the surveillance of CCTV. When kids come academics, our school really stand out. The teachers here are so passionate about what they do.
क्या होता है टीचर जैसा आप बोर्ड में देख पा रहे हैं इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स जो सिमिलर होते हैं
विदाउट एक्स वाई वैल्यू है टर्म है तो उसको हम क्या करेंगे वन साइड पे
अगर दूसरी साइड हम लेफ्ट के साइड या राइट से लेफ्ट लेके आते हैं किसी भी टर्म को तो उनके साइड क्या होते हैं चेंज।
It's not all about schoolwork. Our schools offer a variety of extracurricular activities like dance class, music lab, science lab, etc. And I personally love being part of these activities. We have a state of art where you can find everything related to your projects and just to relax. So let's come to this spot called our library. Rizul, please come here. Please give me information about our school library.
Vande Mataram. Hello, I am Ritu in plus 1 class. Today I am excited to introduce our school library. A school library is a structure within the school that houses collections of books and other content to serve common use to read the education, informative and recreation, research. The items are not only for education, enjoyment and entertainment of all members of the school community.
As you all know very well, practically science is the most amazing subject in the universe. So let's go to that space science lab. Please come with me.
तो प्लीज आपस में रिएक्ट करते हैं तो बच्चों से क्या करते हैं
Muskan, please come here. Can you give me information about our science lab?
Yes, of course. Today I will show you the most amazing thing of our school, that is science lab, where students enjoy the practical work of science than the theoretical lectures given by teacher in the classroom. Here we use microscopes, voltmeter, ammeter, specialized science instruments to perform the activity.
Music gives us healthy and fresh minds that can relax our mood. So here is another best facility of our school, our music class. Please come with me. Vanna, could you come here?
Yes, Deepika, how can I assist you?
Please give us information about our music lab.
So, as you can see, there are many instruments like harmonium, guitar, flute, tabla, etc. So, music class focuses on this and also vocal training and music theory. We have regular class every on weekly basis.
With machines, we can do our work instantly and smartly. So with this, let me give you a view of our computer lab. Please come with me. Preeti, please come here. Can you describe our computer lab, please?
Yeah, so while computer lab is a special room where we learn how to connect with world. It is important part of modern education because computer is very essential in that we all learn basic skills like typing, using software programming. The computer provides access to online resources like assignment or project work. That's a quick tour of our school computer lab. Thank you.
Now this is personally my favorite activity to do. Let's come to the sport dance class. Nimla, please come here.
Just give me information about the dance class. Our school dance class is a lively and exclusive class where students of all levels can explore various dance styles gracefully guided by our dedicated teacher.
The environment here is really supportive, whether you are in class, arts and sport. So let us go to the Kabaddi ground. Captain, please give us information about our Kabaddi.
Hello, Vande Mataram everyone. My name is Chris from class 8 and I am the captain of junior kabaddi team of Adarsh Senior Secondary School, and it is in the ground we practice our favorite game kabaddi, and it is important for our health and games such as physical fit and fight.
So let us go to our next sports ground, Kho-Kho ground. Captain, please give us information about our Kho-Kho team.
I am Ishika from class 8 in our school. I am the captain of Kho-Kho team. I also want to be a professional player of Kho-Kho. Here we learn the techniques and strategies of Kho-Kho which are useful while playing the Kho-Kho. Thank you.
So now, We also need a space where we can keep our sports kits. So let's go to that place. Muskan, please come here. Please give us information about our sports room.
Of course, I am Muskan from class 11 art. Today I will give you some information about the sports room. Our school sports room is a well-equipped dedicated space to the indoor game and outdoor game, featuring a variety of tables like for the activities like chess, carom and ludo, etc.
Here we come with our transport facilities. The drivers here are very experienced and they do their best as they can. Our school vans are well equipped with all the facilities like fire extinguisher, first aid kit and CCTV camera. So that's a quick look on our school. If you are thinking about applying it, I definitely recommend it. Admission for next session are open. Come here and visit us. Thank you for watching today's video.